car. Cindy will be up front, and I'll be back in the back to help you down the steps. If you need any assistance, just let us know. If you're riding back with us on the train, we will depart as scheduled at 2:30 p.m. We would like to have you back on board around 2:20. Don't look for us to be back in the loading area until around 2 o'clock. That's when we will come back to load. Before then, we'll be out of town turning around on our Y about a mile away from town. So if you leave anything on board the train, which you're welcome to do, it will not be accessible to you until around 2 o'clock. If you're riding one of our motor coaches back, you may check in with the bus driver, who will be standing right next to the train to greet everybody. They will let you know which motor coach to board and what time. If you are riding the train back, is there anyone in this car that has a different seat assignment other than gondola 21?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else? Where do you guys ride? 22? Okay, so you know where to go already. Where are you on?
We're not sure, but we'll find it.
Gondola 22?
We're not sure, but the number's on the side.
If you're riding back in a different gondola and you want to leave things on board, please leave your items and your new seat assignment for the trip back.
No, we're not on a gondola. We're in a closed car coming back.
Either one. Restrooms on board the train will close once we arrive in Silverton. There are public restrooms a half a block to each side. Off to the left is how we turn our trains around in Silverton.
So we're gonna have to take this picture back to the Winnie, because it's never gonna see that campsite. Look at that out there. Holy jeez.
Everybody enjoy your time in Silverton. Have a great lunch. Come down, stay out of trouble.
Hey, there's really no trees, no nothing, huh?
See them up there? That's the mountain out there?
I'm looking at the campus.
Oh, I'm looking at that mountain way out there in the center.
Beautiful.
Little hard rock
Yeah, no trees in that campground. Wow.
Shoes, secure, tied, ready for walking. Okay, let's do it.
Old wooden train cars. Look at this. Little cattle cars. There's something on that mountain there. I'm going to try to zoom in on whatever that is.
That black thing? Like
See that black thing you put there? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Look at that blue house.
This reminds me of that casino area we pulled into. It was all by itself.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful house.
Huh?
That Victorian is beautiful.
That's what I pointed out before. You said it. Blue one.
Don't have any wrap around.
buy some furniture while we're here. All right, so it's Wednesday, August 17, 2016. Must be around noon. We're pulling into Silverton.
For sale?
Yeah, I see it.
Wow, that's old. Look at it. It's like sky.
Yeah, Buick.
I know. Oh, bakery. We'll get that on the way back.
What?
Bakery.
Oh. Okay, you ready? Shutting this off.